In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Udemy course. Whether you're a seasoned instructor with valuable knowledge to share, or a first-timer eager to teach the world, creating a course on Udemy can seem like a daunting task, but fret not. With this guide, I'll walk you through the process in a smooth, step-by-step manner. Let's start at the very beginning, the point where every journey on Udemy starts, logging in. Head over to the Udemy homepage and locate the login button situated at the top right corner. A simple click here will lead you to the next step. For a faster sign-in experience, Udemy allows you to use your Google account. So once you're on the login page, look for the Google icon, usually among other social login options, and click on it. This will streamline your login process by linking your Udemy account with Google. Next up, choose the Google account you want to use for Udemy. A list of your Google accounts will appear, allowing you to select the one link to your Udemy profile, or the one you prefer to use. Now, being logged in, it's time to shift towards the ultimate goal, course creation. On the Udemy interface, you'll find a section or a button labeled Instructor. Clicking this will navigate you closer to creating your course. Once you're in the Instructors section, your attention should be drawn towards creating a new course. Here you should find a button or link titled New Course. Clicking it is your gateway to transforming your expertise into a course on Udemy. As soon as you click New Course, you'll be prompted to select the type of course you're offering. For most, the course option is the one you'll want to go for. Selecting this carves out the path for you to input your course specifics. Entering the course creation phase involves a bit of interrogation. Don't worry, it's the good kind. You'll be asked questions about your course like its title, description, and objectives. Take these questions seriously as they help tailor your course to the right audience. Once your answers are jotted down, a Continue button should appear. Don't hesitate to click it as it signifies progress. It takes you to the next series of questions, more focused on the content and structure of your course. You'll find yourself at a point where Udemy wants to know more about the category best suited for your knowledge sharing. This is crucial for the platform to accurately classify your course, helping potential students to find it easily. Clicking Continue after selecting your category will lead you to a different set of questions, this time more personal, regarding the time you can invest weekly into creating your course. Be realistic with your answer here. It helps Udemy understand how to support you in this journey. Upon answering questions about your time commitment, the magic button Create Course appears. Click it with enthusiasm as it officially starts your course creation process on Udemy. Diving into the course creation, a significant step is planning. This involves submitting lectures, articles, and videos that make up your course. It might seem like the meat of the work, and rightly so. This stage shapes the learning experience you're offering. Finally, once your course material is uploaded, organized, and you're satisfied with how it all came together, the last step is submitting it for review. Look for a Submit for Review button or link. Clicking this submits your course to Udemy for approval, ensuring it meets their quality standards and guidelines. Upon approval, your course is live on Udemy, ready to educate, influence, and possibly even transform lives. Remember, patience and attention to detail during the course creation process can yield an educational product you're proud of, and one that students will benefit from immensely. Creating a Udemy course is more than just uploading videos. It's about sharing knowledge, impacting lives, and even growing your own brand. With every step taken on this platform, you're not just building a course, you're building a bridge to reach learners across the globe. Thank you for following through on how to create a Udemy course. Whether you're a new instructor or looking to enhance your current offerings, remember, the journey of teaching and learning never truly ends. Good luck with your Udemy course creation, and here's to your success.